It's September 6th again.
September 6th again.
It's Hurricane Hannah.
And he's gonna ride
My brother is once again going to
stupid and gonna ride his
bike through a giant puddle. Even though we can't really
down the road.
a giant stream kind of thing.
He's just gonna shoot down the road basically.
But I don't know how we're gonna see him because we're not going outside.
Okay.
Oh, the wind's blowing on us. Where'd he go? I can't see him.
Well, that was basically.
I had a dream that my phone fell in the water.
Okay, so that was basically it.
We should wait till he comes back to see how he got. Alright, let's just bring this inside and talk to Bridget.
Yep. What should I say? The camera's soaking wet. Wait.
Now you guys are all dry. The
Here
top
he
of
is.
it's like soaked. Show off.
Holy crap,
You look really dry.
I need my towel.